Cosmetic and appearance changes happen regularly throughout the design process. Understanding and updating these changes should happen regardless of when or how you open your files. SOLIDWORKS 2022 now automatically resolves lightweight components that have had graphical or appearance changes, regardless if any features have changed since the components were last saved. This ensures that your components will always appear correctly. SOLIDWORKS introduced a unique and simplified way to incorporate complex textures within your designs in a previous release. By leveraging unique appearances on faces, bodies, or components, textures can be created on those surfaces to generate complex geometry quickly. SOLIDWORKS 2022 delivers increased performance and responsiveness when creating these oftentimes complex and highly detailed textures, meaning you can use them in more places without sacrificing performance. Another graphical change in SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the introduction of texture-based cosmetic threads. These new cosmetic threads, beyond looking great, make it much clearer to understand which components have threads on them. These threads will be used for any type of feature that includes cosmetic threads as well, from manually created threads to the new stud feature, and of course, the hole wizard. Finally, performance is always critical to saving you time. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has increased the frame rate when rotating parts and assemblies with silhouette edges by over 10%, saving you time with every single zoom, pan, and rotate.